How to verify PayPal account. First, log in or sign up for a PayPal account. After that, you will be able to open this page. This is where you will see your dashboard, where you can send and request, your wallet, activity, and ask for help. Your PayPal balance is also reflected here. When you click the More button, you will be able to create an invoice, create an estimate, or go to the Resolution Center. Here you can click Wallet, and you will be able to freely access your funds. Here, you can link a bank, a card, send payments, and even exchange currencies. Here I have it in USD and Philippine peso. You can click the currency calculator to see how much a currency is in exchange for other currencies. For example, this is my card that is linked to my PayPal. If you want to link your bank, just put your bank name, bank code, and account number. Be sure that every detail is accurate, and once you're done, just click Link Your Bank. Now, if you want to link a card, just simply enter the debit or credit card number, the card type, the expiration date, and the security code. Then, link card. Simply follow the next steps and you will be able to verify your card and your bank. Now, if you click these three dots on the right side of the currency, this is where you can exchange your fund's currency to the primary one. And if you click Add Currency, you will be able to select different currencies around the world. And before I forget, this is where you verify your card after inputting it earlier. Just click this link named Confirm Your Card and you will be redirected to this page. Take note that there is a small charge on your card when you want to verify it to PayPal. It depends on the country how much it will cost, but here it costs 100 pesos and will take 5 to 7 business days before they can confirm it. Next, you have to enter the code in PayPal, and once you click Get a Code, the charge will automatically be deducted on your card. After that, just follow the steps that will be given and you will be able to verify your card in PayPal. And that's it. You will have successfully verified your PayPal account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.